Should we just let him pick it up and go?
Yeah. There's a little piece. Oh, he's pooping, and we got a little piece of grapefruit.
Go ahead.
Let's see what you think about that. Try it. Can you pick it up? Are you just playing with it?
Yeah. He's just.
There you go. See? He's got it. Oh. That was a little shimmy shaky like that.
Mikey likes it!
Not bad. You gonna try some more?
It's up his nose. He pushed me.
How's that? How's that? No? Well, you're just pooping.
Yeah, he's just pooping like a storm. Now I can smell it now. Come on, poop a little more. That's the pooping sound. That's the agony of pooping.
There's a little piece. Let's see you put that in your mouth. That little piece right there. Oh, oh my.
Oh, you must be having a log to pass through that butt of his.
Oh, baby.
Maybe if we stand you up, it might help.